This is a 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It has a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, a passenger side airbag, adjustable driver pedals, dual power seats, air conditioning, and this vehicle has fewer than 57,000 miles on the odometer. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.